Senior Vice President of Economic Development Coalition and of the Asheville Area Chamber of Commerce. This is the February 2009 EDC Board Report. Our board reports typically will give you a snapshot of the economy as well as of our economic development activities over the last month. To start off telling you about our economy, I'll reference the black background graph. This is a graph representing the total employment broken up by different sectors, the largest sector being health services at 19%, the smallest sector being information at 1%. Typically, this graph doesn't change from month to month or even from quarter to quarter. However, from December of 2008 to January of 2009, there were increases in health services, government, and manufacturing by 1%. Also, there was conversely hospitality and leisure and hospitality, construction and financial activities all decreased by 1%. Another mark of the economy that people look at is the unemployment rate. Currently, the Asheville metro area is sitting at 8.7%, an increase from 4.4% in January of 2008. North Carolina, distinct that it has broken double digits, now sitting at 10.3%, up from 5.3% before. In the United States, rising to 8.5%. So, where are those people not working from? Well, this is, if you look at the sectors here in the bar chart, leisure and hospitality is the largest loser of employment in their area from December of 2008 to January of 2009. That's not completely unexpected because of the seasonality of the tourist economy like Asheville. However, if you take a little bit longer look from January of 2008 to January of 2009, you'll still see health services and government that are still positive and up from year to year. As a mark of our economy, you always look at sales tax collections. You'll see as the bar chart represents total collections in Buncombe County, which includes the city of Asheville. The city of Asheville, as you can see as a percentage of the bar chart, rises and falls there with the line on the bar chart. Another big component of the economy is represented by the number of homes sold or through the residential activity. The number of homes sold are down 49%, nearly 50% year over year. However, peculiar enough, average price of homes sold are still positive 8.1%. I would caution you with using the averages, as you'll notice from month to month, January of 2009 to February of 2009, which will come out soon, you'll actually see a decrease of 1% in this activity or in this category. Mentioning that Asheville is a tourism economy, you always look at hotel-motel sales. This is currently down 2.5%. I believe that and predict that the numbers will still decrease in the next following months and potentially more sharply than 2.5%. On a positive note, you'll look at our overall economic development dashboard. Currently, clients that have visited the area and are looking to potentially locate in this area represent nearly $287 million worth of projects, which equates to just over 1,200 jobs that have visited the area. These are broken up into three main categories: alternative energy, manufacturing, and professional technical services. Also, you can break those up into existing industry, expansion opportunities, and clients that have come from outside the area to look at inside the area. As you break out the existing industry, you'll notice the visits that we've conducted. 12 different visits this month in the different categories you'll see on the left-hand pie chart. Also, the expansions, and many times we visit the places that have expansions, and so you'll see a strong correlation between the two. You'll see these represented in the right-hand pie chart. In this economy, small businesses appropriately reach out to the Chamber for help and inquiries, and you'll see a general business inquiries of over 400 year to date and small business consultations above 30. Marketing recruitment, this represents what we call our pipeline. Our pipeline is where we've had two-way communications with companies hoping to get them to visit the area and win a project. We currently are just just above $65 million worth of capital investment projects, representing nearly 750 jobs with those projects. An encouraging piece is from February of 2008 to February of 2009. Our inquiries are up as well as our client visits. At our last EDC board meeting in February, which are open to the public, the city and the county both presented their plans on the stimulus, what they're planning to do with their portion of the stimulus dollars. These dollars are well spent and are aimed at decreasing the unemployment rate as well as increasing private participation and flow of dollars back to the county and the city. If you'd like more information, please contact me, Ben Teague, Senior Vice President of Economic Development, at the below contact information.